Good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary. It's Monday morning, November the 4th. Thanks for joining us this morning as we take a look at our trading day ahead. Hope you had a great weekend. We are getting a lot of rain. Rain Saturday, all day Sunday night. It's quit right now, but boy, it's going to rain this afternoon and this evening. We're looking at going from drought-like conditions to flooding potential in some areas around here. So a lot of the plains is receiving that type of soil moisture, and you can see it reflected in new crop wheat down to a nickel overnight. And we've been expecting this as the rains are in the forecast, and it did materialize, and maybe in some cases even more rain than expected. Other outside markets, dollar sharply lower here this morning. 53-point losses in the dollar. That's a pretty big move on a pullback in here. Crude oil, a big move to the upside, almost 3%. We'll give you the reason why here in just a minute when we get into our demonstration. Crude oil up sharply, as I mentioned. Stock market is firmer, traded two-sided overnight. Gold and silver trading higher, kind of ignoring some other events over the weekend, but reacting to the lower dollar. And the grains are firmer. Corn, 3.25 higher, showing signs that it's breaking its technical downtrend. Soybeans up 11, meal up $3, oil slightly lower despite surge in crude oil, and then that wheat we talked about 2 to 5 cents weaker overnight. So I'll be doing RFD TV this morning at 8:15 Central Time, kicking off the trading week. Hope you have a chance to tune in for that. I will also be on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week talking about the markets. So follow us on Twitter, Midwest Markets and Brian Hoops, and make sure you go to our website. You can sign up for our text service. We sent some text out already this morning, and you can also sign up at our YouTube page. Subscribe there. Make sure you don't miss any of the information we put out on YouTube. So office locations listed there, 5 different offices around the Midwest. South America crop production, it's just nearly ideal for corn and soybean seeds. Keep that in mind here as we look for price direction. We have known this for quite some time, and it continues to be verified with each and every forecast. Good rains falling across a lot of the areas of South America after the seedings have been put into the ground. So that's a pretty decent start to the growing season. And here in the U.S., best rain chances since last spring. More rain this weekend, more rain here in the next couple days, and then it gets a little bit drier with more rain chances again by the weekend. OPEC stated yesterday they're going to postpone a plan to increase production until year end. That caught a bit in that crude oil market. Remember, crude oil was higher Friday, then sold off, and has rallied back sharply in the overnight with those 2+ instances of gains. CME Group, FedWatch, has a almost 99% chance, let's just call it 99% chance of a quarter-point rate cut, just a 1.1% chance of leaving rates unchanged at the meeting on November the 7th. That is coming up a week from it's coming up this Thursday, I'm sorry. Thursday is the meeting, and then Friday is the supply and demand report coming out this week. So Friday, soybeans closed lower. That was the 5th consecutive session where we have closed lower on a Friday for soybeans, and meal made some contract lows, settled at their lowest level since August the 26th of 2020. Soybean planting in Brazil, 53% done. That is similar to last year in the average pace. Remember, we talked about how weather forecasts and conditions are nearly ideal if the crop's being planted. We're getting rain on top of it. And the first corn crop in Brazil, now 72% to complete. Average is 77, and 72% is the average pace. So things are going well in South America as far as planting pace and moisture on top of that. Egypt's gas agency has tendered for optional origin wheat over the weekend. The tenders are dominated by Russia. It looks like definitely Russia will be filling this tender offer. Other news for the grains, fairly quiet. The corn market breaking out to the upside, as we mentioned. Kansas City wheat under pressure here from the rains, and soybeans rallying back without much fundamental reason. If we take out Friday's highs, it could take us a run maybe up in that 1017, 1021 range if we hit some buy stops. Last week, cash cattle trade in the north was 188 to 190 live, 296 dress, $2 softer than a week ago. And in the south, 190 live. That's steady with last week. Cash trade called steady this morning to begin the weeks. All right, hope you have a great day of trade. Give us a call. We'd be glad to talk some markets with you. Sign up for our newsletters and receive hedging advice as well as trading recommendations. It's been Brian Hoops, Midwest Markets. Have a great day. Good luck. Good trading.